right from the start in 2016, you've been part of the leadership in Kouga municipality. I wanted to ask you around, stepping into that municipality for the first time. What did you discover as a new government?
That was insane. I mean, it's not 9 years. And I promise you, we still discover things after 9 years. I sit there and I think, just when I think we've seen it all, then something comes out. I'll tell you now what we discovered the other day. But what we discovered was just a completely broken municipality. It was... you can't believe it. And that's why it's so sad that we couldn't win it in 2011 because 400 votes, only 400 votes kept us out in 2011, which meant at that stage that we had to suffer through 5 more years of absolute looting. And in that 5 years, I think there were 4 or 5 or 6 mayors in that during that time of the ANC. And it was just chaos.